A routine disturbance call at a New Jersey convenience store. That's how this began.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm suing the shit out of everybody, y'all. I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm suing everybody.
Let's go.
Where's my phone? My keys, the camera's not even on either. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Break my leg. Go ahead, break my leg. Where's my keys?
Yo.
Where's my keys?
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop!
Yo.
Yo, stop! Stop!
On September 25th, 2025, officers responded to a Wawa convenience store in Pennsauken, New Jersey. The call came in after a physical altercation broke out between a customer and an employee. The most striking moment in this footage isn't the struggle itself. It's the moment the woman being arrested tells the officer his camera isn't even on. That single line becomes the entry point for everything worth analyzing here.
Yo, back up, yo, let's go. Back up. Go.
Bro, get off of me. Get off of me.
Go ahead.
Get off of me.
I'll get.
Put your hands behind your back.
Get off of me. Yo, God, look at girl. God, bro, I would have pushed right in this shit, bro. Bro, I need to fix my phone. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Stop touching me.
Yo.
Stop touching me. I don't like people touching me.
I'm bringing the car around.
Stop touching me.
Can you leave the door open, please? Can you leave the door
Stop
open?
pulling me like that, my fucking hand. Stop!
Yo.
That shit hurts. Stop!
Let's go.
Stop!
Let's go.
Bro,
Let's go.
Stop! Yo, bro, stop! That shit hurts.
Get up.
Stop! Yo, get off of me! Stop! Ow, bro!
Let's go.
Yes.
Ready?
Yo, stop! Stop! Please!
Get up.
Stop!
Get up.
Stop, please!
Get up then.
Stop! Let me go!
Are you gonna get up?
Let me go! How the f*** I'ma get up, bro?
Oh, let's go.
Stop! I hate when people touch me!
Okay, then sit up. Let's go.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go!
Sit up then.
Let me go! Let me go, yo!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Listen.
Y'all weird!
Sit up.
Now don't talk to me now!
Sit up.
I'm f***ing here!
Sit up. Let's go.
Yo!
Let's go.
Yo, bro, that's weird! Ah! Stop! Please
I
stop!
have to pick her up.
Bro, that hurts! Stop!
Got it? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yo! Bro! Nah, bro, that shit weird. That shit weird, bro. Stop, bro. Please stop. Yo, that shit is weird.
Watch your head.
Let's go.
Hold on, don't open it. Watch your head.
Yo, that shit is
Can you
weird.
get up? Because
Are you gonna get up?
Yo, no,
So you can
please
breathe.
just
Sit
let
down.
me get up.
Okay, then get
I
up.
Let me
hope you
get
get
up.
up, but you're not getting
Let
up.
me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up.
Hold on to your side. Your
Hold
side.
on.
Your other side. There you go. There you go.
Yo.
There you go.
Oh my God. Bro, I'm suing the shit out of everybody, y'all. I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm suing
Let's go.
everybody. Yo, my fucking head.
Let's go.
No. Bro, grab my phone. Grab my phone. No, I need it now. My cigarettes, my phone, my money, everything. Please, bro, please. My phone in there, my
Let's go.
fucking cigarettes, my buddy, bro.
Let's go.
Get my cab keys, bro. Take my cab,
You
bro.
gonna stand up? Let's go.
Yo,
Stand up. Okay.
take my cab.
Stand
Shit,
up.
wait. Go get it, please. Go get it.
Stand up.
Please. You can have it, bro. Take my shit. Take my shit.
Walk back.
No, in the
Walk back.
store, my phone, my cigarettes in there.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Sit down. Put your feet in, please.
No, I can't. Wait, I'm trying. Stop touching me. I hate when people touch me.
You gotta understand, you're under arrest.
Take it off.
You're
I
not-
can't.
you're not-
My arm.
You're under arrest, man.
No. Bro. No, I'm telling you to take this off my arm, yo.
Come on.
Bro, look, what the f***? Yo.
Come on.
Hold on, wait. Bro, you gotta take this shit off.
Listen, look. There you go.
Oh my God. No, this shit is not cool. Go get my phone. Let me see you get my phone. Get my phone.
Your phone is in the car.
Let me see. Let me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
He's gonna show you right there.
Let me see.
Your phone and your keys.
Let me see my keys.
Your keys are in here.
Let me see.
Get in the car already.
Let me see
I
what
showed you all your
I
stuff. I'm not showing you again. I'll show you your stuff.
Where's my phone? My keys are lying. Where's my phone? My keys are camera's not even on either. No, it's not. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Break my leg. Go ahead, break my leg. Where's my keys?
Yo.
Where's my keys? Yo, stop! No! Bro, stop! You choking me!
I'm not choking.
You was! Go get my keys!
Keys are
Go
inside.
get my keys! Stop! You stop! Her! Stop! Her! Stop!
Leg in the car.
Stop! Stop!
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Stop!
Did she drop anything else in here? Let me get it. Alright, cool. Nothing else? What's up, bro?
Give me my stuff!
You good, you good. Just back up.
Please! Yo, give me my stuff, please! Give me my stuff!
Your stuff is in the front.
Give me my stuff! No, it's not! He just got my shoes!
Yeah, I got you.
No! Stop! Let go my arm! You hurting my
Let's go.
wrist is bleeding, bro! Stop! Stop! Give me my shit! Ah! Ah, stop the shit!
Put your leg inside then.
He's putting my
Put your leg inside.
The cops are hurt! Let me
Put
go.
them inside. Put your leg inside.
Show me my stuff!
I already showed you your stuff.
You didn't! You just showed me my shoes! I need my keys!
Stop.
My phone!
You are already under arrest.
Yo!
Stop.
That doesn't mean you keep my
Stop.
shit!
Your shit is in the front.
Let me see, that's it!
I showed you already.
You just show me my shoes. It takes 2 seconds. Show me.
Did you not see your phone and keys already?
Let me see.
I'm not
Let
showing
me
you
see.
again. Put
Can
your
you
foot
please show
inside.
me my phone?
It's in there.
Please, I promise you, on my son. I told him to on my son I was gonna
Put
leave.
your foot inside.
Yo,
That's it. Let's go. Put your foot inside. Let's go.
where's my key? Where's my cigarettes?
Your cigarettes? Your phone.
And where's my key? Let me see. Let me see the key. That's not my car. That's my boss stuff. Please.
Can you please go?
See, you don't have my key.
Let's go.
You
Let's
don't
go.
have my key. Check if it's in my pocket.
What does your key look like?
It's a small key. It's green. You're gonna see the green
Is it in
tag.
your pocket? I'm gonna check.
Check, please, just check. See if it's my pants pocket. I need that key, bro.
Where's your other pocket?
It's in the store. Please get my key. Please get my key, please. Oh my God.
You know you making this more
No,
difficult
I'm
than
not.
what it has
How? I work all day, every day for my money for the white people to be talking to me crazy.
to be.
No.
You need
That
to
shit is
understand.
weird.
Mama, listen.
No.
You need to understand
No.
that you are under arrest.
What the f?
Okay?
That shit weird as hell. That's all
Stop
I can do
making
is
this.
work.
Stop making this more difficult than what it has to be. Put your foot inside.
Yo, that shit is weird, bro. That shit is weird.
Put your foot inside.
That's all she had to do was give me back my money. My key not in there.
Put your foot inside.
Wait, check.
Put your foot in the vehicle.
See?
I'm about to go inside and check. But you're I checked in there. They can't find your keys.
Yo,
It's not
see,
in
that's
there.
what I mean. That's the fucking bro.
Can you put your foot inside?
Look,
Look,
check in my pocket.
I already checked.
Check, please.
You see the other one?
Y'all, they're gonna do some. Is it in?
Alright, cool.
It starts with the charge that actually put her in handcuffs. Throughout the arrest, she repeats, "Stop touching me," and "Don't touch me," while pulling her arms away. Under New Jersey Statute 2C29-2, subsection A, resisting arrest becomes a third-degree offense. That elevated charge applies when a person resists by using or threatening physical force. Simply refusing to cooperate verbally is not enough to trigger it on its own. But physically pulling away from an officer during a lawful arrest generally is enough. That distinction separates a low-level disorderly persons offense from a felony-level charge. The footage supports the more serious version. Her resistance is physical, repeated and directed at breaking the officer's hold. The next legal question is whether the officer's own response was lawful. The controlling standard comes from Graham versus Connor, a 1989 Supreme Court decision. It holds that force must be judged for objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective on scene, not with hindsight. Nothing in this footage shows a strike a chemical spray or an electronic control weapon. Officers use only hands-on control and guided movement into the patrol vehicle. Against someone actively and repeatedly pulling away that level of force, fits within what Graham versus Connor allows.
Can you take the cuffs off?
Can I
Shoulder
take...
and my head.
Okay, what hurts? Tell me what hurts.
My shoulder and my wrist.
Your shoulder and your wrist.
Please take them.
Listen, once EMS comes, I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen. Once EMS comes, if you decide that you want to go to the hospital, we are going to assist you going to the hospital because you are still placed under arrest. Now, the cuffs will not come. They're not coming off.
Put them somewhere else. Or like make them loosen.
What I can do is put another pair of cuffs, but that's not up to me.
Please.
Okay? Listen, I can put another set and loosen them. That's all I can do. But you're gonna stay in handcuffs.
Okay, I'm telling you, it just hurts.
Okay, that's fine.
That's all I'm telling you.
Okay, so would that be sufficient? They're gonna put another pair of cuffs on so it kind of spaces it out a little bit, so your shoulders aren't back like that.
It's not just my wrist and my shoulder.
Okay, well, like I said, nothing gonna be able to do about your wrist. It's a temporary restraining device. It's not gonna be comfortable. And if you're under arrest, that's how that works. They're not gonna take the cuffs off. Do you understand that?
I understand what you're telling me. I speak.
What's up, bro?
I'm saying, like, this guy right here, you're not acknowledging what I'm saying. He's walking right here with your shirt.
Huh?
He keeps coming back. He's not supposed to be here. He's trespassing.
That guy?
Yeah, he will not leave.
Alright, give me a second, bro, cause...
He will not leave.
Yo, let's go! Okay, bro, let's go. They don't want you here, so they don't have to give you services if they don't want to. I got you. Once I'm done over there, I got you, but leave for now. Once you see me done over there, come get me. But leave.
Or do you want to go to the hospital and have them x-ray your shoulder and all
I
that?
think my shoulder's broke.
Well, I can tell you, I'm pretty sure your shoulder's not broke. Would you let the officer space those handcuffs out? See if that is any relief for you? Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna take off this left hand. Hold on. Relax.
What shoulder is it?
What shoulder is it?
Is this my...
Your right hand?
Yeah.
Alright, so he's taking the left one
I'm
out.
taking the left one out.
No,
Alright?
my wrist hurts.
Man, you gotta
Relax, relax. I'm trying to take it off. Can you put the light on the cuff?
Yo.
Alright.
Relax.
The more interesting moment comes after she's restrained, when she reports her wrist is bleeding and her shoulder hurts. Once a person in custody reports an injury, officers take on a documented duty to assess that complaint. Ignoring a complaint like that is exactly what tends to generate civil liability later. Here the officer does the opposite. He explains why the cuffs can't come off entirely. He then offers a second set of cuffs, positioned to relieve pressure on her shoulder. He also arranges hospital transport so her shoulder can be evaluated and, if necessary, x-rayed. That sequence holds up well if this incident is ever reviewed in a civil rights lawsuit. Now back to that one line, "Your camera's not even on." It wasn't true. The recording continues without interruption. But the accusation points to something real. Body-worn footage is often the deciding evidence in disputes exactly like this one. Had the camera actually been off, every claim here would come down to conflicting testimony, instead of a verifiable record. One more thread deserves attention before the grades. The initial dispute involved a Wawa employee whose account of what started the altercation never clearly appears on camera. Without that employee's statement, it's impossible to fully assess whether the original confrontation was handled appropriately by store staff. That gap doesn't change the legal analysis of the arrest itself, but it does limit how completely this incident can be graded.
So she good? The hospital?
That's sufficient for right now?
My shoulder.
So do you want to go to the hospital or not?
My...
You want to take over here?
Listen, he's gonna check you, make sure you don't got no weapons. The only thing that's gonna stay on your person is your cash, okay?
You have anything in your pocket? You guys took all of my stuff. What'd you say? You guys took all of my stuff.
You got your keys, you got your phone, you got everything on you. That's he said to take her somewhere specific.
No, don't push my heart. I got it, don't push my heart.
I took her personal stuff, but make sure nothing else is missed. I left. My bad. Make sure I didn't leave nothing else in her.
The responding officers earn a B-. They kept force at the lowest effective level and communicated clearly throughout the encounter. When she reported pain, they responded with a reasonable accommodation instead of dismissing it. Points come off only because the prolonged dispute over her phone keys and cigarettes dragged the encounter out longer than necessary. The suspect earns a C+. Her physical resistance is the direct basis for the resisting arrest charge against her. New Jersey law gives her no legal right to physically contest an arrest in the moment, however she felt she was being treated. Credit goes to her for clearly and repeatedly reporting her pain, and for accepting medical transport rather than refusing it. The Wawa employee cannot be fairly graded on this footage. Without a clear account of that employee's role in the original altercation, any grade here would be speculation, not analysis. So if you genuinely believe an officer is wrong in the moment, what's actually the smart move? First, comply physically with a lawful arrest, even while verbally objecting to it. Resistance itself becomes a separate, additional charge on top of whatever started the encounter. Second, if you're injured or in pain while restrained, say so specifically and immediately. Clear, repeated statements are what actually get documented and acted on by officers. Third, assume every camera is recording, always. An incorrect assumption that it isn't can undercut your own credibility later. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to break down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more legal analysis of police interactions.